Alright.
It's going. You got 6 hours of video.
6 hours.
See how long it takes you.
Hope you got a good YouTube account that you can post a 6-hour video.
This is the Rubik's Master Champion.
Actually, I don't even have a YouTube account.
So what? We're finding a way for this to get to YouTube.
Oh, I'll make an account.
People all across the world will want to see this person.
I got my brother's YouTube account I can use or something.
Did you actually get that set up in there for something?
Yeah, it's going.
You're ruining the YouTube video with unrelated chatter.
Well, first we're gonna watch you solve the Rubik's Cube, and then we're watching Superbad.
Then I'm gonna fall asleep and dream about having a beer.
It's quite a dream. Right up there with Martin Luther.
That was a good one.
What's that?
You didn't hear that?
No, what?
He's making jokes and doing the Rubik's Cube.
You're
like, I'm dreaming about having a beer, and he's like, yeah, that's right on par with, like, Martin Luther King.
Three buttons, sandstone.
Yep. We stopped doing that bunch. I've been for like 5 years. My 16th birthday party, my roommate was good friends with our next door neighbor. And he was making a fake release, and our roommate convinced him to give me one for my 16th birthday party.
Awesome.
How long has he been at it?
2 minutes.
Come on, he did better last time.
No, actually, he's gonna beat.
He started like 15.
He's gonna beat it.
Fun.
Oh, shit!
And that was less than 2.5 minutes. He beat it.
Yeah, 2.5.